Ashley, DJ. Let's play him some jams. Go ahead. If you see something you like, you better yell. That's right. Get down, get down, get down, get down. That's right, they're wiggling. Here we go, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, how do you think they did? And why do they always walk to the back? If I put one of you guys on the stage, you guys are going to be right up here, aren't you? There he is. All right, come up here, guys. Come up here. All right. Let me just say, I hope you guys have ibuprofen, because you're going to be sore tomorrow. Okay. By a round of applause, let's pick our winner. Here we go.
Come on, girls, cheer for them.
Yeah.